Did you notice any difference in the previous two clips? Let me tell you the context. So this is my bike. This is the pre-2023, 2022 edition of the Xpulse. And apart from the fact that this has a KTM footpeg here, the difference or the changes that Hero has done is basically they've moved this position of the footpeg holders also slightly lower on the newer Xpulse and slightly behind, ever so slightly. The difference is very, very minute. You really have to look to notice it. And this is something that Hero claims that improves the off-road riding position, especially when you're standing up. So this is my Xpulse and this is the position of the footpeg. And let me quickly change and show you the 2023 edition of the Xpulse, which has the updated footpegs. Just give me a minute. Okay, it's a little difficult because this is not the Pro Edition. The newer 2023 Rally Edition is also known as the Pro Edition. I guess the pre-2023 is known as the Rally Edition, and this is the updated 2023 edition. So I don't know if it will be visible in the video here, but the footpeg here, it's the stock standard footpeg that comes with the Hero Xpulse. Just the rubber has been removed. It goes a little lower, that is for sure. I can see it visibly, but I don't know if it is visible in the video, but it's almost in line with the axle for the swing arm pivot basically. So what that does is basically it brings the rider position slightly back when you're standing up. So I believe there's another aftermarket part that is sold by JC Moto for almost 8,500 rupees, which they claim that improves the off-road riding position, especially if you're standing and riding on the Xpulses. And I'm sure a lot of research has gone into it in making that product good for the bikes. But Hero has done this, so I'm trying to see if just changing this footpeg bracket of the newer Xpulse into the older one, is it going to help and improve the overall riding position when you're riding off-road? So let me actually do this. Let me wear my riding boots and I'll try to stand and see and feel if there's any difference whatsoever in the riding position, especially when you're standing and riding. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll change into my boots and we'll test it out. Okay, I've changed into my riding boots and I'm going to try to stand up and see. Please observe with me as well, because I'm not sure if I'm sufficient to see I will notice the difference alone. There's a slight slope, hang on. Whoopsie. That's okay. There are no plans here. Let me just put the bike in gear. Sorry for that mishap. Okay, so that is the position of the 2023 Xpulse. As you can see, these are the balls on my foot, both sides. What I can notice first thing is the point where I'm gripping the bike is actually at a very nice point. Hang on, I'm still trying, sorry. So yeah, so this seems and feels really good. I'm gripping the bike pretty well with my knees, and my boots as well. They seem good. They seem pretty good. Okay, let's change the bikes and we'll see if there's any difference whatsoever. Put the Rally Edition pre-2023 almost in the same spot exactly where the 2023 bike was. And let me stand up now. Slot it in gear. Okay. Am I standing straight? I think I am. My footpeg position is pretty much the same as it was on the other bike. There's a very slight difference, but there is a difference for sure. For some reason this feels a little thicker. Maybe I was grabbing it here on the other bike. But you see, for riding off-road this is too far back. I have to be slightly up here. So I'm just thinking, hold on there. I think the other bike has a ever so slightly better standing up position, because I'm slightly behind where the seat is, so you're able to grab a little bit of the seat. But if you see on this bike, I think I'm too far behind. I have to be somewhere here. My legs have to be somewhere here. And then I end up grabbing the tank, which is the thing with the tank is it's gradually decreasing in width as you come back, and you kind of push back. Hello, are we there? Yeah. So that's my observation so far. Let me know if you've seen this entire video and you feel that there's any difference whatsoever between the newer 2023 variant of the Xpulse and the older pre-2023 variant. I feel there's a slight difference, and if you're able to grab the bike with a little bit of the seat, because it's softer, right? You grab it a little better with your knees. That helps far better than trying to grab the tank, where I feel the tank is, because of the design of the tank, you tend to be pushed back. So yeah, that's a quick experiment, and I hope this helps somebody as well who's trying to sort out the off-road riding position while standing up for the Xpulses. So if you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing or give a thumbs up to the video. As simple as that. That's it, guys. Bye-bye. Whew.